Good day everyone. We are here to discuss carbon cycle.
Carbon cycle is the process where carbon compounds are interchanged among the biosphere. Ito kung saan yung carbon compound ay pumupunta sa atmosphere, biosphere, pedosphere, geosphere at hydrosphere. Nakatulong ang carbon cycle sa panatiling ang balanse ng ecosystem. Halimbawa, yung photosynthesis, yung carbon dioxide ay kumakalat sa hangin at ginagamit ng halaman para makapag-produce ito ng sariling pagkain.
Carbon present in atmosphere is absorbed by plant for photosynthesis. These plants are then consumed by animals and carbon gets bio-accumulated in their bodies. Then pag yung mga natidecompose nating mga hayop o halaman, yung carbon nun is babalik siya sa atmosphere and ma-absorb din ng ating mga organism. And some of carbon is not released back into the atmosphere, eventually become fossil fuels. Yung mga di na-release na carbon is pupunta siya sa lupa, then magpo-form siya ng fossil fuel. Kaso sobrang tagal na process. Yung fossil fuels, pwede natin siya gamitin sa ating mga human activities like gasoline and other stuff. Makikita natin dito sa picture is yung carbon dioxide is absorbed ng halaman through photosynthesis. Then yung decay organism is magre-release siya ng carbon dioxide, then babalik siya sa atmosphere parang cycle lang.
Carbon cycle on land. Carbon in the atmosphere is present in the form of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide enters in the atmosphere through natural process such as respiration in industrial applications such as burning.
Majority po sa carbon is form of carbon dioxide. Then papasok siya sa bilang process ng respiration. Then yung role ng decomposer is eat yung organism and yung pagka na-decay na siya, magre-release siya ng carbon from sa may katawan nila and pupunta sa atmosphere.
Oceanic carbon cycle. This is essentially a carbon cycle, but in the sea. Ecologically, oceans take in more carbon that it gives out. It is what we call a carbon sink. Marine animals convert carbon to calcium carbonate, and this forms the raw building materials required to create hard shells similar to the ones found in the clams and oyster. When an organism with calcium carbonate shells die, their body decomposes, leaving behind their hard shells. These accumulate on the seafloor and are eventually broken down by the waves and compacted under the enormous pressure, forming a limestone. When these limestone rocks are exposed to the air, they get weathered, means nadudurog, and the carbon is released back in the atmosphere as a carbon dioxide.
Importance of carbon cycle. Even though carbon dioxide is found in small traces in the atmosphere, it plays a vital role in balancing the energy and traps the long wave radiation from the sea. Kahit na yung carbon dioxide ay makikita natin sa mga small traces sa mundo, malaki pa rin yung ginagampan ng papel na ito sa pagbabalanse ng energy sa atmosphere.
Ang carbon ay very important part life in Earth. Matatagpuan ito sa protein, lipids, at DNA. Dahil dito napakahalaga ng carbon cycle, tinutulungan dito ang kalikasan
na mapalitan ng carbon sa hangin, lupa, tubig at buhay na organism. Kasama ng nitrogen cycle at oxygen cycle and carbon cycle to help to balance of life in Earth.